What's going on YouTube? Today I want to talk about high-end cameras freezing in OBS when using an Elgato cam link. About a year ago I upgraded my camera setup to a Sony a6000 and I paired it with an Elgato cam link. Right away the video would continuously freeze in OBS, and once I found a solution I made this video to help others running into this problem. Lately I've been getting a lot of comments on the video saying that their cameras are still freezing even when they are using my solution. Unfortunately this video isn't a fix to that problem, it's more of a suggestion to work around the issue. Even when I implemented the change to my camera to fix the freezing, it would still randomly freeze here or there, but not as consistently as it used to. What I did was I stopped using the cam link altogether and I started using an Elgato HD60 capture card, and so far I haven't had a single freeze in OBS. So like I said earlier, this isn't really a how to fix an issue video, this is more of a pure suggestion video. If you're looking to upgrade your camera to a high-tech, high-end camera, do not buy a cam link. Buy yourself an Elgato HD60S. At the time of filming this video, obviously the Elgato HD60S is a little more expensive than the cam link, but the troubles you will save yourselves with the non-freezes and whatnot will be well worth it, believe me. And if you have recently bought a cam link and you're here looking at how to fix the freezing issues, if you can still maybe somehow return your cam link and get your money back, I highly suggest you return the cam link and take that money and go and buy yourself an Elgato HD60S capture card. I have not had a single issue, knock on wood, I have not had a single issue since I made the swap, and I highly recommend it. It'll save you so much time and hassle. If you enjoyed the video, if you found it a little bit helpful, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. It'd be very much appreciated. If you have any other tech issues that I can maybe try to help with, leave them in the comment section below and I'll try my best to get to them and give you guys some information on it. Other than that, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.